This time last month, we did something on this channel, which is planning out our goals. You get a spreadsheet, any project management tool at all. We write down the goals you want to achieve for that month, and then we reflect on the goal for the previous month to see if we're able to achieve them. If not, why, and then we move into the next month and plan for the new month. And that's what we're going to do in this video again. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on my channel, a very big welcome to you. Please do not forget to smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed Q2. We've just ended the Q1 and I would like to reflect on what we're able to do in Q1, lessons we've learned, and what we can do better in Q2. So if you planned with me last month, it's time to get at our sheet or any other project management tools you use to write down your goals. Let's see if we're able to hit those goals. And remember guys, no pressure. If you're unable to hit it, it's fine. This video is in no way there to make you feel bad. It's just a way of encouraging, because I procrastinate a lot, and to find ways to curb my procrastination is to keep myself accountable. Creating this video is fine if you don't achieve all of them. It is totally okay, no pressure. A lot of things might have prevented you from achieving these goals. It happens to everybody. You're not alone. If you currently do not have any motivation to do anything, it's fine, as long as you do not stay there for long. I'm here to encourage you to get up, get a spreadsheet, let's plan for the new quarter, and then see how we can make things better this month going forward. Because me too, on my own end, I didn't smash out all the goals, but then do I have valid reasons for that? For some, yes, and for some, no. It was just the same procrastination and laziness. For the first one, we have the grooming section, which is where you put down all those your $1 million ideas. That's why this section is very open. Whatever ideas you think about and you think you want to achieve, you just come down here and fill it in. And then every month when you're planning, you can come to your grooming session and pick out the goals you want to achieve for a particular month. When you pick it up, you move it to do list, and then after moving it to the to-do list and you want to start working on that particular goal, you move it from to-do to in progress, and when you're done, you move it to the done column. We also have the rewards column, which is very awesome because it encourages me to want to quickly achieve my goals so that I can get the reward. In the month of January, we tried. To some extent, I wasn't able to hit all my goals. I was able to hit 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, and I also was able to hit 1,000 subscribers, which was very cool. I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, because with this 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers, I was able to monetize my channel, which means that YouTube will start placing ads on my videos, and when you guys watch the ads, I make a little money to be able to support myself to create beautiful content for you guys. And then also the month of January was the month where I made lots of investments with the savings I had from the previous year, that's year 2020. This channel we talk about finance. I would always and every time keep encouraging you to invest, to save, and to make more money. I love money and I talk about money a lot. I want to find ways to also make you make money for yourself. So I was able to invest in stocks and crypto, and then I was also able to invest in myself. Investing doesn't always mean you putting money into a business or getting stocks and all. I was able to, after achieving most of the goals for January, some of the profit I made from crypto, I was able to get myself a very beautiful camera, which was the reward for January, and that is what I'm currently using to shoot this video for you. So the month of January was good. I was also able to complete a Clothings 2 weeks challenge to see if I could shed out some of the Christmas and New Year weight. And did we achieve that? I really have no idea, because we tried we tried guys, but I still have some fat floating around here. But then that's why in the to-do column you have the lose 3 kg, and I was not able to lose the 3 kg. And then write an article on passive income. I couldn't write it for reasons I have no idea about. I think it was just a lot of procrastination. I would write it and I didn't. But then another thing I did was to get my Medium account monetized. I did a passive income video. I'm going to also link it here, where you can monetize your, if you're a writer and you want to make money, there are lots of platforms, not just Medium. You can monetize your blog. Even if you don't have a blog and you know how to write well, there are lots and lots of websites that pay people to write for them. Then work was great. I started working after the holiday, was able to learn 1 or 2 things and improve my skills. And that was it for the month of January. No pressure. If you're not able to achieve them, just like I didn't achieve most of my January goals, we do what? We move it down to the next month. The goal is to keep working at it. It's a marathon and not a sprint. We'll keep improving, we'll keep finding ways to make ourselves better. And now we move to the month of February. Month of February, almost the same thing. Goals and aspiration reflections. I reflected on the goals I want to achieve. Each month something new just comes. You just add it in the grooming session. So I was able to publish 6 contents for my YouTube channel, which was very amazing. I'm happy I was able to do that. I shoot my videos most times on Saturday, and then I try to edit them on Sunday so I can upload within the week. I also did every month, guys, I try to invest. I keep saying it. You mustn't start very big. If you have any little amount of money, you can just start. The way your portfolio grows, we call it like compound interest. So every month, no matter how little you have, you invest a little amount of money and your portfolio keeps increasing. I didn't have to work in the month of February because I was on vacation, which was really good. And then there was a goal I didn't hit. Like I keep saying it, guys, do not put so much pressure on yourself. I said, okay, I'm going to try to read Atomic Habits. I didn't do that, guys. So I moved it from month of February to the month of March. Now for the month of March, which you guys planned with me, we had lots of goals, and then later on I think I added more goals because as the months kept on progressing, I kept on adding new things. So now looking at the goal for March, in progress we have started taking German classes. Each being Chidinma, Otutu. Guys, I to be very honest with you, I really do not have interest in learning German. It's just that why I really want to learn it is the struggles I go through when I want to buy things from the mall, or maybe want to ask for directions or questions. I really have to start taking my German classes seriously. To be honest, I didn't even give it a try for the month of March at all. My friend and I, we've been procrastinating that we are going to learn German, and no progress. But then what we did was we signed a contract, both of us, that we are going to put in a lot of effort in the month of April to see if we're able to learn this German. But then coming to the goals that I set, I was able to invest in crypto again, and then I was also, we stopped at 1,800 in the month of February, and then I put that I wanted to grow more and get extra 200 subscribers to make it 2,000 subscribers. This is not within my reach, but I really prayed to God. I was like, okay, I want to have extra 200 subscribers. I'm going to try to create at least 5 contents to see if people will resonate with it and try to subscribe to my channel. And to my surprise, guys, I was mind blown. We moved from 1,800 subscribers. As I'm recording this, we have over 2,450 subscribers. I'm truly amazed, guys, and I'm forever going to be grateful to you guys for believing in me and always subscribe and always watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. It keeps me going, seeing you people's beautiful comments like, Chidinma, we appreciate your contents. Chidinma, we like your contents. It's very amazing to see, and I can't thank you enough. Thank you for always supporting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for watching most times to the end, and I will always try to bring very valuable contents to you. And then I also wanted to start, I said I wanted to upload 5 contents. I was able to give you guys 6 contents. You know how I was able to do that? I had to shoot one video around 2 a.m. It was so funny, but I had to do that. And then another thing I did was I started cycling. I rented a bicycle because I wanted to increase, my activities. As a software developer, you most times sit down from morning to evening, and I really wanted to be more active. So what I did was, after doing my early morning exercise, in the evening around 5 or 6:30, I just go around and cycle around my street and then come back, maybe like 20 minutes to 30 minutes of cycling. Another thing I did was I started journaling like 5 times a week. I'm also going to show you, I have a blog where I just write my daily activities. I love this because it helps me reflect every day. Days where I'm feeling very bad and I try to reflect and write this, it actually calms me down. Maybe you notice you have a lot of anxiety and you want to really start reflecting and finding ways to make you work. I think meditation, yoga, and journaling would help you a lot. That's something new I learned, and I'm glad I was able to do it. Although I missed some days, but majorly most of the days within the week. For the month of March, I was able to do that. Our challenge, I did a workout challenge with my friend where we worked out Monday to Friday every week for the month of March, and I'm super proud of myself. I've noticed a little changes because when I came back from Dubai, I put on a little weight, but then I've been able to shed some of it. And then another thing I did was I finally completed the Atomic Habits, which is very great. Maybe if I have time, I might do a review. If I don't do a video review, I might do a write-up or just come up with something to show you guys. So if you want to check out the book, it's really amazing. I recommend it. Check out Atomic Habits. Then level up my skills as a software developer. You know, one thing is, as a software developer, things keep changing, so you have to move up with the trend. I try as much as possible to learn one or two things, and also to try and, you know, attend to the tasks assigned to me and make sure I deliver on time. Another thing I did was get very closer to God. I made sure that every morning, especially weekdays, I pray and I study my Bible. I'm happy the way I'm going, and I do not put a lot of pressure on myself. I try as much as I can. The days I forget to do that, once I remember, I do it quickly. I also listen to podcasts daily. I've found it to be something very interesting, something very motivating, and something very positive for my life. So every morning when I want to have my bath, or maybe when I'm cycling, I always listen to Joel Austin or Jay Shetty, and their podcast is truly amazing. It's mind blowing. Like, you would get to learn a lot of things, and you also get to keep your mind and body very positive. And then I make my bed every day. This might not be a lot of work for people, but for me, I struggle with making my bed every morning. So I made a rule that every morning when I wake up, the first thing I do is to make my bed. And I learned this from reading Atomic Habits. So far so good. Whenever I wake up in the morning, I try to make my bed. And then the last thing I did for the month was to invest in studio lighting. As you can see, compared to my previous videos, this video is sort of popping for me, I think. So because of the lightning, I'm able to, you know, shoot videos in the morning by 2 a.m., 3 a.m. So I invested in lighting with my friend. You can also check out her channel. She does beauty and lifestyle. And then for the month of April, I've already written down some of the things I want to achieve, which I would also, you know, include some things later as the month, you know, keeps progressing. I want to be able to create at least 6 videos for you guys, create very beautiful 6 contents for you guys. I also want to read the 4-hour work week. I have seen the reviews and they're so amazing. And then I want to visit the Netherlands, but it's not going to be possible because of the lockdown and a lot of restrictions. So I'm going to take this out and then start my German class. Hopefully I'm able to achieve this goal with my friend. And then I also want to improve, you know, as a software developer. I didn't complete this, I'm going to complete this. I also want to improve as a software developer, so I'm going to be learning a lot of new skills. And then there's this house project. There's something I'm trying to finish up in my dad's house, which I thank God for provision and everything. So I hope that by the month of April, I should be able to complete that. And then I also want to start a mailing list where you subscribe to my newsletter, which I'm going to leave in the description, where each week I try to give you like a rundown of things I was able to do. Not just that, like any new thing I learned, maybe when it comes to finance, tech, or even life in general. If you subscribe to the newsletter, you're going to be getting very amazing contents for free from me. And then I want to increase my cycling time and take my fitness journey very seriously. I started doing intermittent fasting. The first 2 weeks it really worked out, and the third week, because I'm a glutton, it was difficult for me to continue, but I want to see if I can take it more seriously this month. And then I think I repeated this newsletter mailing list. And that is it for the month of April. I also want to invest. I didn't include that, so I'm going to invest again in majorly crypto, I think, or crypto and stocks. But then we have to invest. For you to be able to grow wealth, you have to keep investing. I hope with this you're also able to plan out your month. Please guys, like I keep saying, this is just to encourage you, because doing this for me, it makes me active. Oh, I'm supposed to review this next month, so I have to do this, so I don't keep all my work in progress. I have to move it to done. So this would help you, you know, plan for the month properly and then help you achieve most of your goals. No pressure. As you can see, this one isn't even very long. I always try to make my goals short so they don't overwhelm me and I'm able to achieve them. And as you keep going and you see things you can add, include them. No goal is very small. If the goal is to drink a cup of water or 5 cups of water every day, write it down. When you write it down, it's in your subconscious, and then when you're I'm supposed to take water today, you go ahead and take the water. If the goal is to send hello to every of your family members just to keep them in mind, you know, communication and all. Write it down. No goal is too small. For me, I wrote down making my bed because it was a struggle, and because it was in my goal sheet, it actually motivated me to do it every morning. So I hope with this video you're able to learn one or two from it, and you're able to plan your goal for this new month. And I wish you all the best. A very happy new month to you. Take care and stay safe. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Please do not forget to smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be discussing something we did last month. This is better. Oh. On the month with me.